Looking for a nutty twist on a classic Christmas dessert? Well, allow us to introduce you to the heavenly hazelnut torte. This delightful dessert is a unique spin on your traditional Christmas cake. Imagine a rich, creamy hazelnut filling nestled between layers of moist, fluffy cake. And for that extra bit of crunch, it's all topped off with a generous sprinkling of finely chopped hazelnuts. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Then gather your ingredients and prepare to be amazed. Ready to create this heavenly dessert? Here's how to do it. Firstly, let's start with the cake layers. Mix flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder in one bowl. In another, whisk eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract until they're light and fluffy. Gradually combine the two mixtures, stirring gently to maintain the airiness. Moving on to the hazelnut filling. Roast some hazelnuts until they're beautifully golden, then blend them into a fine paste. Add this to a mixture of whipped cream and sugar, and stir until it's all well combined. Now, it's assembly time. Layer the cake with the luscious hazelnut filling, making sure to spread it evenly. Repeat this process until all your layers are stacked up. Finally, it's time for decoration. Dust the top with powdered sugar and garnish with whole hazelnuts for that extra crunch. And voila, your heavenly hazelnut torte is ready to impress. But this dessert isn't just delicious. It also packs a punch in terms of health benefits. Hazelnuts are brimming with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. This dessert adds not just warmth and joy to your festive meal, but a touch of sophistication. So not only does this dessert taste heavenly, it also does you good. Now that you know how to make a heavenly hazelnut torte, there's only one thing left to do. Get out there and give this recipe a try. Then share your culinary adventures in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!